Hello everyone, I am Satyam Samrat and today is day 5 of my English speaking challenge and I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to talk about advantage and disadvantage of artificial intelligence. So first of all, I tell you advantage of artificial intelligence. First, I think AI save our time. In this time, in past, jobs are like they are doing like a machine. They are doing 8 to 9 hour, 10 hour, 12-hour job, so they can complete all tasks in IT sector, in many sector. And in current time, AI replace those job, like which whichever like human takes more time, and AI do easily so much. AI do in minutes, in hours. So I think AI save more times. And and also AI reduce human efforts, like AI can do repeated tasks like a data entry, and human human are doing all this work, but he takes they takes more time to do, but AI do in minutes. So that was so great for company, and easy for everyone. Or and also AI take you better accuracy, like he calculates so easily, and he gives any answer accurately and ac- accurately better, like in calculation, in medical reports, they gives easily and also save much more time. And also AI work 24/7 hours, means they work without any energy. And also they don't and also AI not tired, they don't need to eat something, they only needs energy, like a charging, and they need only data, they only need all these things. So I think if we use AI, then we grow more fast. And I think we all need AI, we all should use in our work, so that so they can so I can and you also can improve your work and reduce the time of work, so we grow more fast. And also AI do better decision making, because AI analyze AI not need much more time to analyze any data. And also they have a much more data, like in social media. And AI no AI have all data, and they can analyze everything much more than human. So I think AI do well. So and also AI automate chatbots, car, self-driving car, any much more thing like a. And I think AI do many tasks easy, and so that why, and that's it the advantage. And I will discuss about disadvantage of AI. AI jobless. AI can replace human jobs, and also especially in factories in and office. And also AI is so expensive, not everyone can afford this time. Like if you generate any video through AI, then in this time AI so cost and so expensive, so everyone not use it easily. And also AI cannot think like a human, so in AI creativity is like a less. And also they have no emotion, so they don't think about human psychology. What is, I think AI read our face, read our emotions. So I think they do many things like AI have all data, all knowledge, all books knowledge. We read much more books because we mm, gather a knowledge. So but AI have all resource and they have a much more knowledge about, so they can read our minds, our emotions, our facial expression. I think there was so. And also in current time human are depend on technology because people become depend on AI. I'm also depend on AI to write something like a, currently I say to the chat GPT, I am recording 10-minute video and my topic is advantage and disadvantage of artificial intelligence, so they can write down all these things. But he affect my thinking ability because I am not think a lot, and they gives all data in the way and I spoke about. And also AI privacy issue. AI collect data from user and this can risk personal privacy. And also in future more automation can increase unemployment. If 5 after 5 year, after 10 year, if you don't knowledge about AI, if you don't know about, if you don't study about, if you don't skillful about chat GPT, then are in you are unemployed in future. So you must adapt the AI because AI is getting, they can in future job issue is biggest problem, because if you don't have any skill, then you are unemployed, because AI replace everything. And I think current time all human are depend on AI to do everything. They can search on ChatGPT, they can search on other AI platform. They don't think, and they don't find. In like 2010, in 90s era, if you know about something, then you go to library and read those type of books, so you gathered some knowledge to a specific topic. And in current time we search and know about topic, but we do we we are like a weak. Slowly we are. Conclusion is, AI is powerful tool, but it has many advantages, but also some disadvantage. So we should use AI in a smart and responsible way. Thank you. Thank you so much, and I meet you in day 6.